Good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed about the introduction of history. Then we have discussed about the three periods in the history, which were ancient period, medieval period, and modern period. After that, we saw an overview of modern period because in this year we have to study about the modern period. Then we have seen changing nomenclature, and today we will discuss about the sources of information. Through these sources we will come to know about what happened in the past. So first, हिस्ट्री इज़ अ पीरियड गॉन बाय. जो पीरियड जा चुका है, जो टाइम बीत चुका है, उसको हम लोग हिस्ट्री कहते हैं. वी कैन नो अबाउट इट ओनली थ्रू सम सोर्सेज ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. हाउ करेक्टली वी नो about the past depend upon the correctness of the sources. You studied in the previous classes that sources of information can be classified into two broad categories. We already discussed about it in previous class that there are two types of sources of information. First is literary source and second one is archaeological sources. So on the basis of this source of information, the history try to reconstruct history. Historian try to reconstruct history. In fact, interpretation of these sources is very vital because different historians interpret them differently, and this is the reason we can find differencing or differing views about the past. First, we will discuss about the literary source. So what are the literary sources? These sources include different type of printed and other handwritten material which was composed during the period under consideration. Okay, the period about which we are talking about, the sources belong to that period only. Like some information about the ancient period. In ancient period we don't have any written information, but about medieval period and modern period we will have written information. Okay, what are the important literary source? These are books, newspaper, magazine, laws, government document, etc. These all are important literary sources through which we can come to know about the history or about our past. First literary source is book. With the spread of education, many people wrote text, both fact and fiction, in both forms, verse and prose. Books are quite authentic source of information about this period which help to reconstruct history of this period. The available books are on different subjects such as medicine, technology, engineering, mathematics, literature, etc. The important books of this period include fictions such as stories and novels by Premchand, fact such as Gandhiji's autobiography, etc. Okay, beta. So most important source of literary source is book. Okay, there are different types of books available in the library or in the history, which is very helpful to find out what happened in the past. You must have heard about Munshi Premchand. He was a famous writer. So he wrote many different books, and we come to know about the time he wrote these books. Okay.